Welcome to Tortle Ninja's platform tutorials. Tortle Ninja brings the world of DeFi to your fingertips, providing you with all you need to take your crypto investments to the next level in an easy-to-use package. Today, we'll explore how Tortle Ninja makes yield using farms, vaults, and the magic of compound interest. Tortle Ninja gives you hundreds of DeFi products and assets at your disposal to make money, but how exactly does it do that? As an example, let's use one of our most well-known recipes, the L1 Indexed Farming Fund. This recipe splits our funds into 4 streams, with each stream leading to a different crypto farm. The farms generate yield by providing liquidity and receiving fees from it, as well as getting extra DeFi tokens through emissions. These crypto farms also have vaults that automatically sell the earned tokens and add these funds to the liquidity pool every 24 hours. We get interest from investing in these farms, and our gains also get invested. That's interest on top of your interest. Amazing! The great thing about this is that when the value of these currencies goes up, the money you earn goes up significantly. In the event that the market crashes, however, Tortle Ninja can automatically move your assets to more stable currencies, ensuring minimal losses. So there we are. That's how Tortle Ninja maximizes your profits and cuts your losses. Like magic. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and share this video. Also, follow us on Twitter for more updates.